Excuse me, is this gate 17?
Hello, this is gate A17. How can I help you?
Think my flight is gate 17, but I'm not sure.
Don't worry, there is A17 and B17. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Okay, I see. Your flight is from gate B17, not A17.
Oh no. I'm at the wrong gate.
Don't worry, I can help you. Gate 17 can be A17 or B17.
I was scared. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Let me confirm your details quickly. May I ask your name, please?
My name is Sarah Parker.
Thank you, Miss Parker. Is it correct that you are from Edinburgh and you are flying to Copenhagen?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. One moment, please. I will check the boarding time. Good news. Boarding at B17 starts in 20 minutes.
Oh, great. Am I late?
Don't worry. You have enough time, but please go now.
Okay. How do I get to B17?
Okay, listen carefully. Go straight to the end of the hall.
Straight to the end of the hall.
Yes. Then take the shuttle to Terminal B.
The shuttle to Terminal B.
Correct. After the shuttle, follow the signs for B gates.
Follow the signs for B gates.
Exactly. Then you will see B17 on the screens.
Is the shuttle free?
Yes, it's free.
How long does it take?
About 5 minutes.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good flight.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.